Here's what's interesting to me, at least, is that if you watch what's been happening in the market and because somebody made the comment to me the other day, they said, "Oh, just wait. Once all of this trade war settles down, gold's going to be 2,700 again."
Mm-hmm.
I said, "Well, hang on. If you go back and look at what the gold spot price was when a lot of this really started, it was already over 3,000 at that point.
Right.
We're as of right now, they have a 90-day pause with because they lowered the rates between the U.S. and China,
Mm-hmm.
and then they put a 90-day pause on any changes so that they can do some trade talks in the meantime. So it's essentially we're in a much better standing than we were before, but the spot price of gold doesn't directly reflect that. If we're right now on the low end, I think we've seen recently is like 3250, somewhere around there, dips down to 3250, 3250 on gold. If that's the lowest, then there's no reason why it's not going to move up, here sooner, even if things do work out. Because one thing that's still adding to all of this is inflation. Yeah, we had cooler numbers come out here recently,
Mm-hmm.
and that's great news, but interest rates are still high.
Yeah, interest rates are pretty high.
We haven't done anything with interest rates as of late. Everybody's waiting on the Fed to come out with another statement, and inch it down lower, and Americans are starting to feel the pain right now. So I think recession's still on the table. I think gold, in terms of where it's at right now, I think it still has a lot of room to go.